After days of uncertainty and intense legal scrutiny, actor Rajpal Yadav finally walked out of Delhi's Tihar jail on February 17th. The Delhi High Court granted him interim bail in the Rs 9 crore cheque bounce case, bringing relief not only to the actor but also to his fans who have followed his journey for decades. Speaking soon after his release, Rajpal appeared calm, grateful, and reflective. He thanked people across generations who supported him through the difficult phase. He said the love he has received throughout his career in Indian cinema has always been his biggest strength, and he remains deeply thankful for it. He also acknowledged the support he received on social media and within the industry. According to his team, several Bollywood personalities reached out to stand by him during the crisis. Rajpal said he was equally grateful to those who criticized him, calling it part of life's learning process.
जनरल बात मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मुझे 30 साल हो जाएंगे 27 में मुंबई में बॉलीवुड में। पूरे देश का दुनिया का बच्चा मेरे साथ रहा, तभी तो मैं 250 फिल्में कर पाया। पूरा बॉलीवुड ये किस्सा 2012-13 में शुरू हुआ था। 2026 में मैं 250 फिल्में किए हुआ हूँ। भारतीय सिनेमा का बच्चा बूढ़ा नौजवान मेरे कलेजे का टुकड़ा है, मेरे साथ था और साथ है।
But the most emotional moment came when the actor addressed the film fraternity directly. With folded hands, he requested filmmakers and producers to give him meaningful roles once again. Those who have supported me earlier, I request them to help me once again with the roles I wish to do. The money can be as per their discretion. Rajpal also revealed that he will soon hold a press conference to present his side of the story. Since the matter is sub judice, he said he does not want to comment in detail yet and respects the court process. Interestingly, his time inside jail has left a deep impact on him. He spoke about meeting thousands of inmates and said many of them deserve a second chance at life. He appealed to authorities to consider reforms so that prisoners who have served significant time can gradually return to society. Rajpal's case dates back to 2018, when he took a loan to finance his film Atta Pata La Pata. Following the film's commercial failure, repayment issues gave rise to a prolonged legal dispute that escalated over time.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is. I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत और आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.